AV receivers are becoming extinct. Bulky, complex, and outdated, they're no longer the heart of your home theater. In 2025, smart systems are replacing them completely. All-in-one sound solutions that are wireless, clean, and shockingly powerful. Here are the top 5 replacements that prove you never needed a receiver in the first place. Number 5. Samsung HW-Q990C. Samsung didn't just ditch the receiver, they built one into the bar. With 1.1.4 channels, Dolby Atmos, and Q-Symphony Sync, this system gives you full surround sound with no wires and no AVR. The rear speakers and sub are fully wireless. The sound is cinematic. And the smart features? Built-in Alexa, auto room tuning, and seamless TV integration. AV receiver? What for? Number 4. Sonos ARC Plus Sub, Gen 3, Plus Era 100 Rears. Sonos is a system, not a soundbar. The ARC handles Atmos with stunning clarity. The Sub, Gen 3, adds deep, rumbling lows. And the new Era 100 Rears bring true surround in a fully wireless setup. Controlled via the Sonos app, AirPlay 2, or your voice. No cables. No receiver. Just precision-tuned audio that adapts to your space and evolves over time. Number 3. Bose Smart Ultra Soundbar Plus Surround Speakers Plus Bass Module 700. Bose took the AVR and buried it inside a sleek, minimalist bar. Dolby Atmos, ADAPTQ room tuning, and wireless syncing with every component. The bass module 700 delivers serious punch. The rear speakers immerse you completely. And everything connects without a single wire to your TV. One HDMI cable. That's it. Smart, simple, and far beyond what traditional AVRs can offer. Number 2. LG S95TR 9.1.5 Wireless System. This is LG's smartest soundbar yet, and it's built to compete with full home theater setups. You get a full 9.1.5 layout. Up-firing front, up-firing rear, side-firing surrounds, and a huge sub. Everything connects wirelessly, and LG's AI room calibration fine-tunes the experience in seconds. With Wow Orchestra, your LG TV becomes part of the speaker array. This system doesn't just replace your AVR. It outsmarts it. Number 1. Nakamichi Dragon 1.4.6 Ultra System. This is the most powerful home theater system on Earth, with no AVR required. For subwoofers, 6 up-firing Atmos channels. Dual wireless surrounds with directional drivers. The Nakamichi Dragon is not a soundbar, it's a full cinema assault. It uses spatial surround elevation and SSE 360 processing to create an insane 360 degrees sound field. All wireless. All plug and play. It replaces not just your receiver, but your entire theater. The receiver era is over. Smart sound systems are the future. They're cleaner, easier, and sound just as big, without a receiver, without the clutter, without the mess. These 5 systems prove you don't need a rack full of gear to get spine-tingling, room-shaking sound. In 2025, less really is more. And the receiver? It's officially retired.